Okay, so sorry about that. We are back though. No worries.
Whew.
Ow. Ow. Fuck. Okay.
Oh jeez.
No one told me we're gonna have to deal with giant letters.
That My Chemical Romance wannabe is destroying
My Chemical Romance wannabe.
You know that's relevant because they're getting back together.
Yeah,
and
right?
I would love to see them again.
That'd be pretty great.
Yeah, it would. That would like make my life, dude.
That'd be cool. Oh.
Come on, My Chemical Gerard way. My Gerard way.
Why? B.
Oh shit, I fucked that up.
Oh no.
I'm dead!
Rest in peace, Julia.
Fuck. We'll get it. Well, get that fucking shit. All right, Bubba. Why don't you lie down, huh? Why you ready to go? Hmm? Are you taking a seat? You little pippy? Hmm? You little pippers? Mm-hmm. Get out of my fucking face. I love you. There we go. I think it's gonna be Y and B.
Why? B.
I got it. This time I got it.
I'll restring my guitar with your
Ooh, fucking bitch!
His voice is mega irritating.
That guy is irritating.
How do you like the spotlight, Slag?
I like how he uses like British slang, but he doesn't even sound it.
Yeah. It's kind of weird. Poser.
Yeah.
Fucking poser. Man, they just do not want to go down, do they?
Yeah. Oh, we got that fried chicken though.
Shop 2, shop dot Zoam.
My stomach's making noises, man.
I'm sorry.
Fuck. It's like, oh.
Your face gonna be a sweet dude.
A sweet do-rag.
Ooh, he's gonna doo-doo on my rag.
He needs a do-rag.
Oh, that's punk.
Welcome to the big show.
B. B.
B. Little baby.
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 Little baby.
You're kicking, you're screaming, you whine.
Victims pay the price eventually. I don't remember the next line either.
Move, dick.
Time to get hardcore. You zombie hunting slut.
That's hardcore.
So rude.
Yeah, that's just rude. That's
not
not
cool, man.
hardcore. What's over here? Nothing.
Nothing.
Completely pointless.
Fucking nothing. Why? B.
B.
Why? I'll be.
I'll be Y.
And then why?
And then B. Then Y. And then B. And then Y. And then B. B-Y. Bye-bye.
Bye bye bye.
Bye-bye, baby.
Bye bye baby.
Bye. Right, baby.
I'm loving this shit.
I'm loving this shit.
Ba da ba ba ba.
I'm loving it.
Loving it.
I've never wanted to kill a boss so bad in my life.
Yeah.
Smelling almost dead cheerleader in the morning.
Yeah, I can't skip it.
Oh man, he's such an ass.
Misfits, Black Flag, torturing small animals. Cool.
Wow.
Said, you kind of fucking suck.
Animals? What kind of whack job waterboards Chip and Dale? That makes Skyliner here like the most uncool.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Welcome to the mosh pit, Slag.
Welcome to the Black Parade, Slag.
Oop.
Sucker.
Watch your mouth, dickweed.
Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah, I forgot how annoying he is.
Stupid coos, you stupid coos.
What the fuck is that
You
even?
stupid coos.
What the fuck does that even mean?
I don't know, you fucking coos,
What?
man.
I don't know what that term is. I'm sorry, you guys. If anybody does, I don't know. Leave it down in the comments. Tell us on Twitter. I
Coos is like,
don't know what that means.
I don't know, it's something derogatory towards females.
Yeah. I don't know what that means. California. I don't know if that's I think that's an East Coast thing maybe or not.
Coos?
I don't know.
That's kind of like
I really don't know.
an everywhere thing.
Here's this
Never heard it.
seriously. Almost there. Watch your mouth, dickweed.
Come on. Get this stupid coos.
Finish. How's he?
That was hot.
You think that hurts me? I just jizzed a little.
I just jizzed a little too. You stupid coos. Ow.
Oh, he's throwing records. Is that what he's doing? Power balls? I don't know.
He's throwing scratch offs at you.
And yeah, Jesus.
Fuck that shit up.
Come on. This no good, man. You no get good angle on this.
Boop.
Oh. Why do you do that? Why do you do that?
Why did you do that?
Come on. It just feels like every bit of her animation, attack animation,
It's just
takes so long.
Right?
It's so labored. Like,
yeah.
and she stays on the ground.
It's so
Like-
frustrating.
Holy shit.
Get up.
I think you missed your plan. Your face gonna be a sweet
Help. Help.
So if I stop him, come on, come on.
Just go after the one that he's standing on.
No, I gotta stop him from making more.
Your pain is my art.
God.
Your pain is my art.
Oh, jeez.
So eventually
Okay.
I'm getting all of them.
Yeah.
That's what this is.
Just follow him.
I think you missed your
Shit, shit.
You're gonna piss your pants. Joke's on you. I'm not wearing any pants.
There it is. I am.
fuck. Bring it on.
Julia, let's fuck up that speaker.
Left. B.
Left B.
B. B. B. B. B. B.
B B B B B B B Y B B B B B B B Y Y Y Y Y Y Y B B B B B B B B Y.
B.
Ooh,
Oh.
ooh, little baby gonna be mad till I say him bye bye.
There.
Stupid cool.
I don't know what that means. So weird. X, X, X.
Why don't you come on down here now? Why don't you take a seat?
I was gonna say you need help.
Why don't you take a seat? Chris Hansen. Why don't you take
Left.
a seat?
And we'll see if he does that on the next one.
Yep.